Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video guide I will show you how to fix Gatekeeper game crashing on Steam or not launching or stuck on loading screen error on PC. So what you have to do is first open Steam, go to the library section, select your game, right click on it and then click on properties, and after that click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. After this, launch the game and check if this solution works. The next solution is to run game as administrator. For that, go to the Steam's under library section, select your game, right click on it, select properties, then click on install files and then go to the browse section over here. This will take you to the folder where your game has been installed. So simply select your game, right click on it and then click on properties. Here under compatibility, select run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. Check if this works, then fine, otherwise simply click on run this program in compatibility mode 4 and then click on Windows 8 and then click on apply and OK. If this doesn't work, then simply click on disable full screen optimization and then click on apply and OK. Finally, run the game and check if this solution works. If you face the problem again, so go to the Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties under general. In the launch option, you need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this works. If it doesn't work, then type -dx12 and then check if the game is working now. Next solution is to update graphics card. For that, go over here, search for device manager. Now go below display adapters, right click on graphics cards, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. This will search for the best drivers for your PC, and after that try to launch the game and check if this works. Disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam, select the game under library section, right click on it, select properties and under general, here enable the Steam overlay while in game will be enabled by default, so simply click on it to disable it, and after that try to launch the game and check if this works. If not, the final solution suggested is to uninstall the games. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and then click on uninstall option and finally click on uninstall option. Even you can go to the search option over here, so go to the settings, then click on apps section, here click on install apps, and from here also you can uninstall the game by select your game from here and then click on uninstall. Once your game is uninstalled, now restart your PC and again reinstall the game and then try to play the game and check if this works. So that's all for now in this video.